shit.
Oh, little fuck on.
Bro, hey.
Trap good, I was serving out the whole way. Hey, where the gold at, baby? Where the coals at, baby? Where the dough at, baby? In the bank, you know I ain't tryna blow that, baby. We gon' save that money. We gon' save that money. We gon' save that money. What we doing, we gon' save that money. The rap gang got it all wrong. We ain't bout to go and spend money just to flex on it. We ain't really got it like ya. The type of motherfucker that'll check the check, do the math, I ain't never getting right. Those margaritas not going up.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Life of John video. Right now we're at Kiki's house. We're about to go to the river, San Antonio. It's currently 9:24 and we were supposed to leave at like 7 in the morning. Stop numero dos. We out here with Chap House Mouth.
Chap House Mouth.
Freaking, we got Junior cussing out King to go inside. Look at him. Look, he's at the window. You can barely see him. God dang, bro. You ready, Junior? You ready?
Sure, bro. You already know.
Yo.
I missed the last trip, so we got to get it, bro.
You know the fucking vibe.
You know the vibe.
Where we at? We're leaving San Angelo right now. We're about to get litty. You already know the fuck vibe.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today.
The Airbnb, we finally made it. We're gonna have a good ass weekend.
That's the Airbnb right there. Look at it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You already know the fucking vibes, boys. We don't fuck around.
Hey, this is...
Hey, all these pancake ass niggas, weird ass niggas, man. What all these niggas talking about? Hey, I keep a rocket in my pocket, socket called a pocket rocket. If it's war, we ain't playing games, bitch, we get it started. I'm the man, clip it, keep 100, nigga, I'm a gunner. When it's beef, we ain't playing games, we hit you in your mama. No, that chopper, that's that oppa stopper, hit you in your pot. I fell in love with all this fucking money, you in love with drama. Say, baby, I'm not Sosa, baby, but...
Bro, you can go in. What's trying to cook?
Bro, you ready for your birthday weekend, bro?
Man, it's gonna be amazing,
bro, the vlog don't know this. Oh shit, that's the whole light? Yeah. Oh, okay, bro. I have a second GoPro, guys, that I'm gonna strap onto this man. Bro, the POV, Olive, Uncle L's POV
of this animal right here.
Bro, you already know.
Yes, sir.
We got Jumbo.
Yes, sir.
Is this your first time being in the vlog?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, welcome to Life of John, bro. Shout yourself out, bro.
Alright, so my Snapchat is Zubia_18.
Okay, yes,
and then my Instagram is ZZ.
First time on the vlog too, bro.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
No way.
Hey, I think you are one of the OGs. Only the one of the.
This is the famous Uncle L, bro.
We
Yeah.
gonna get faded, bro.
Yo, tell him.
This guy's about to get fucked up, bro.
Is he, bro? He's not ready.
So shit face. He might jump off this thing and land on backflip.
Bro. Right now we in the movie room. The boys, you know the fucking vibe. What y'all finna do? What y'all finna do?
Get fucked up, bro.
What are you trying to do? What are your goals this weekend? What are your
My goals this weekend is have a good time, you know, educate myself a little bit, you know.
Okay.
And just kind of get like.
You already know.
You
already know.
You already fucking know.
Yes, sir. Papa, what about you? What are your goals to get this weekend, bro? What are your goals?
You know the vibe. Shooters, shooters, morning kills, you know.
Okay. Now what's new? What's my goal this weekend, bro? My goal, bro, is to make sure that everybody has a good ass fucking time, bro. Memorable weekend, you know. Yes, sir. We're out here, family and friends, bro. We're here to have a good time. We're here for a good time, not a long time.
Hey,
right?
you heard him? You heard the man.
We out here.
Hey, we lit.
You hear that, Ale?
What? Yeah.
Trap House Mob.
Roll another one. Sit up, never like you know it's special packet with them automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait. Hey. Woo.
By the end of the fucking night, bro, we gonna be faded, man.
Yes, sir.
Shake it. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock.
We got 90 Danny, chef in the house, making us the flautitas. And Adali, you already know, I appreciate you, cousin. I love you. And I appreciate.
And the coke, I don't sell Molly no more. And the drink, and it gotta be a pint if you're looking for me.
Dez, happy birthday, Dez.
Go, shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need, you need to feel my buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love, so
Day 2 of the vlog.
Morning kill accomplished.
Bro, the morning kill's accomplished.
Told you.
I'm gonna put that like achievement unlocked, morning kill.
Morning kill.
Bro, we're basically getting kicked out right now from partying too hard.
Hey, y'all gotta start subscribing, telling y'all friends about this and everything if y'all want this to continue to happen, because it's getting a little expensive, but
With all these fucking, bro, it's whatever. We're still gonna have a good ass time.
yeah.
Make sure everybody's lit. Let's check up on everybody the morning after. Good morning.
Morning, you fucking fuck!
You fucked? Bro, what happened last night?
I got fucked up.
Oh my god. Do you remember?
This was the morning scene.
Oh, it was crazy. Oh, it was
Bro, tell them how we almost got kicked. How we're getting kicked out.
We're getting kicked out right now because we fucking party too hard. Sorry to tell you. I mean, we're trap house mob.
Yeah, but we're about to get ready to go to the river, and then we'll keep you all updated if we get kicked out or not. It's 4:27. We got kicked out of our Airbnb. We're not in the fucking water yet. We don't have a hotel. We got Alice strapped up with the other POV. You already know. And we got Josh Boy in the house.
All right, gang shit.
Hey.
Hey, boy!
What's happening, bro?
What's happening? Hell yeah.
Kiki, tell them what the fuck going on.
You know, no. You know the funny vibes are.
Say what's up to our life with John!
Goddamn, little bitch on that court, like Montana. I'm on hygiene codeine, I'm afloat like a fountain. Baby, need some protein, work out like a dancer. I got all the hoes in the snow, just like Santa. And we keep the sticks in the smoke, who on cancer? Knocking at that dollar, nigga, you gon' get an ounce. Goddamn, baby, you got cakes like
Hey, y'all keep doing what y'all doing. We'll check back in with y'all later. Love y'all. Hey, come here with the vlog. Hey, you know.
See the pirate type of shit.
Oh, fuck on, man.
So we had a rest stop here, as you can tell, as everybody's there. Yeah, we had a little rest stop, and then we still got like an hour left. It's cold as fuck. This guy's shivering like a motherfucker.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Look, this nigga's on steroids.
Let me see the steroids. They working good. Oh, look at it. Let me have some. D, tell him. Ah! Yeah!
I'm going to the lake house tomorrow. Like where? It's San Angelo. I bet. So we are down, fucking nigga. We got kicked out of Airbnb, baby. Bro, fucking gangsters, man.
Bro, that's how you know. Bro, we paid for fucking 4
We
days.
paid $2,000 just to get kicked out the first day.
In one night.
In one night, bro.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
like gang shit, you know what I'm talking about? You know what the fuck we on today? Yeah. You know what the fuck we got going on?
Yes, sir. You already know. Look at the vibes. Look at the vibes.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna skate to one song only.
So I ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. But first niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase. And as we go, 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit gravy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even gonna be here. So hard since we here.
Hey, that's not just broken. That's
His nose ain't broken. That's not nose.
No,
Some
what?
of my
Excuse
glasses,
me?
you fuck. My nose. What the fuck are you talking about? Bro, my nose is cute.
Oh, yeah.
All the bad bitches want my
You
nose,
like the
bro.
shit. Hey, like that grandma? You see that grandma?
Bro, that
oh,
gilf,
she
that gilf
fine,
wanted me,
man.
bro.
She fine.
There was a gilf that wanted
Who
me, bro.
cares if I'm coming?
Alright, boys, we left the river. We out here trying to fucking find a place to eat.
Don't get me, bro.
Hey, fucking fine. We got Josh Boy over here.
Same, baby.
We got DD.
Stack.
Yeah.
niggas in the back. I'm gonna go in the back.
Say you to the Lord. Nah, Dusty control it. Picture me. Now my wrist is frozen. Cardi, my body, I'm chosen.
Alright, we're waiting on a restaurant right now. Hopefully they can get us in. And then my boy, Brianna's gonna fucking hook it up and give us a place to stay tonight. Fuck that bitch Teresa.
Fuck that bitch Teresa.
You know, fuck that bitch, bro. We're not gonna let anything fucking ruin our vibes. You know, there's only good vibes around here.
Hey, but y'all stay tuned. We coming at you with some fire stuff coming up next. Boom.
You know, we found a place, Papa.
You already know the vibe.
Hopefully we find a place.
You know what we had to
This
do.
place, we have this place. We found a place.
Alright then, update on the vlog, guys. We finally got a hotel. We gotta get some fucking, I don't know, like 2-star hotel here in New Braunfels, but fuck it, at least it's something. You know, like we were having so much trouble finding a fucking place to stay, but everything worked out for the best, so we got everybody situated. My boy Josh, he still turns up.
See,
You
you know
know.
what the fuck we on, boy?
Y'all couldn't wait.
Oh, you gotta get it on the vlog or what?
Bro, duh.
Y'all want some shots?
What's up?
We got like 5 bottles. It's 3 feet. It's 3 feet.
The party never ends. In a motel land with my sands, yeah. I'm trying to get revenge. You'll be all out of love in the end.
Spent 10 hours on this flight, man. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. And they know whenever I land. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And we got the sauce, baby! We got the sauce up in this bitch.
Hello, people. Hey, Jones. We got high top in the house over here. Yeah.
This motherfucker, no.
Hey, I'll match that. We all doing it?
You fucking bitch. What a bitch. No cream, no cream. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Hey.
I'm so big, I just caught myself.
Alright guys, we had to change of plans. We're in San Angelo, Texas right now. We're at my buddy Josh's lake house. We're about to get turned the fuck up tonight, get shitty, make up for the whole lost weekend. We finna turn the fuck up, you heard? Hey, we got the boys, you already know.
I learned this from my dad.
Crazy shit I did tonight.
Cheers, boys.
5 minutes later.
Wait, you need a cat. You need a fucking. What the hell? He said, "Where's the fucking swan at?" Bro.
She said I don't spend time like I really should. She said she don't know me anymore. I think she hates me deep down. I know she does. She wants to erase me. Couple days no talking. I see my baby, and this what she tells me. She said, I keep on running, and nothing works. I can't get away from you. Now, I keep on ducking, and nothing else. I can stop missing you. Yeah. It's like I'm her new nightmare. She ain't escaping. It makes me feel a bit complete.
I got a thing to say. What? Stop thinking about life and just live it. Just live with my cousin. What the fuck?
Never ends. You know, he never stops.
To you? You deserved it.
Here's the camera.
I'm just kidding. That's mean. You're beautiful though.
How you feeling, Junior? What the fuck happened last night, bro?
Last night was a shit show, man. We ended up coming to San Angelo to a lake house and celebrate fellow bitches. Experience.
It was a good ass weekend. Fuck Teresa, man.
Oh my god, are you serious? You didn't do that.
You're not mad at him, man.
Boys, it's a good ass weekend. Look at the time on this. It's 10:49 in the morning. 10:49 in the morning. Ali, what do you, bro? Live it up. Live life like it's your dad's, bro.
Back.
Dude, what to do, baby?
Fuck bitches getting money.
You already know. Hey, what happened last night? Come here, bro. Tell
I
me.
don't remember.
You don't remember?
Nope.
Bro. Yeah, that's how you know it's a good ass night. Right?
I got petitioners to that.
Yeah, we didn't say that, but we made it back to Midland. Fuck yeah. Back to reality. Because we're lost in time, you know.
Traveled across Texas. Y'all know the vibe. Hey, what do you gotta say for this last trip? For a while.
It was a crazy ass weekend.
It was a crazy last trip.
Honestly, I'm glad how it ended. It was fun with everyone.
It was crazy. We got kicked out of Airbnb, flew to the river, cold as fuck. Went to a lake house, got shitty.
Know the vibes?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Vlog out.